So hello everyone. Today I'm starting with the series of CBSE Computer Science, and this is our table of contents. First, we will be covering Python revision 2. Like you have been taught before, the five basic things in Python, like how we perform the looping statements, the selection statements, and all of those. We will just go through that. Next, we will jump into the functions part. Here we will learn how to divide the particular piece of Python code into different modules or functions so that we can perform our task easier. The third one is our exception handling. So if some exception or error occurs within our program, then how can we handle those exceptions? We will take into account that in this particular chapter. The next chapter is file handling. So any files like PDFs, CSV files, the Excel sheets and all, how Python handles those, we will go through that. Next is the data structures. What are the different types of data structures like arrays, lists, dictionaries? So this we will cover in this module. Next is the computer network. So this begins a separate set of module where you will understand how IP addresses works, how in the internet different computers are connected, different computers communicate with each other, what protocols are there, what type of cables we use, what type of hardware we use. So these are all covered under the computer networks. Next is our database management system. So as a software developer, whenever you will be in college and whenever you will perform some software development, you will get this particular database management into a very important aspect. This will play a very important part in your software development journey because everything across you, for example, the IRCTC website stores a vast amount of data every day from the users. Like let's say you booked a ticket and you need to store it in a particular database. So that is particularly a purpose of the database management system or DBMS. Next, we will practice some questions, and there will be some other previous year questions after that. So I will do the PYQs after we complete all this. So this is the basic introduction and the table of contents for our entire journey. So see you in the next video. Thank you.